Hello everyone, welcome to the Python programming course Learn Python with Code Nestler. If you are willing to learn Python, then you are at the right place. In this course, I am going to cover all the basics and important concepts of Python with some hands-on projects. Before diving into, let's see first what you will get in this course. First of all, we will see the basic concept of Python, such as variables, data types, defined types of keywords and details in Python, strings, and various types of operations we can perform on strings. We will also see the basic operations such as addition, subtraction, and many more. We will learn how to take inputs in Python. The next section will cover the conditional statements, loops, breaks, continue, and pass statements. Also in this section, we will develop two simple projects, a simple calculator and a guess the number game. Then we will see built-in data structure in Python, such as lists, tuples, sets, and dictionary, and various types of operations that we can perform on this data structure. Our next section will cover the functions in Python. We will see how to define and call a function, how to pass and return value to and from functions. We will also see what are lambda functions and how to use them. In file handling, we will learn how to read and write to different files. We will work with different file formats. Next comes error handling. This is one of the most important topics. Here we will learn how to handle errors and how to create own custom exceptions. After all this, we will learn how to import and create our own package and modules in Python. We are also going to see some of the advanced Python concepts such as decorator, generator, det, Python regex, and many more. Then comes the object-oriented programming. In this section, we will learn all the basic concepts of object-oriented programming, what are constructors, how to implement inheritance and polymorphism in Python, how to implement encapsulation and abstraction. In this course, we are also going to cover some other topics like web development using Python, how to build graphical user interface in Python, how to scrape the web, and how to implement some of the basic machine learning algorithm using Python. At the end, we are going to develop some projects like unit converter, top headlines, house price prediction, English character recognition, a phone book, and at the last we will develop a portfolio website. So thanks for watching the introductory video. Let's meet in the next lecture. Till then, keep coding, keep learning. Bye bye.